How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a wireless charging desk pad. I want you to check this thing out, and just kind of like going over the box here, it is flat surface, it's waterproof, it's easy cleaning. Max output is a 15-watt output charging. It has overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, because what this is an actual charging mat. So it's a very useful item for anyone that has like a desk where they've got like a laptop or like a computer. Number one, it comes in this really nice, cool tan color. Look at this thing. Wow, okay, I see. Right like that. Wants to curl up. So you've got a charging pad right here. You've got, it looks like a USB-C cable. You see, it feels kind of like a leather. It feels like leather. Press slightly the cylinder, unroll. There's not much to it. It's a 59-inch USB. The input is a 5 to 12 volt input, so you're going to have a little input brick apparently. Overcurrent protection, 15 watts, so it's a fast charger. Let me go ahead and plug this thing in and get it set up at my desk and show you how this thing works. And I will use a phone and see how it charges. So let's do that. Okay, there it is, everybody. One thing I did notice, this thing is way bigger than what it looked in the picture. So I have it on this little small table, and I have a little laptop set up in here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have it just like this. You can see how the USB-C runs out of the wall and runs into the back of the pad. That is really cool, and it has this little symbol right here, and like I said, it has a felt bottom. It actually feels kind of like a grippy type rubber on the bottom, and this feels like leather. But watch this. So you're sitting here working on the laptop, you see I have the charger, the MagSafe case right here. Just put it down. You see that? As soon as you do, the two lights come on and let you know it's charging. And you take it off, these lights will go off up there. Is that not awesome? So you could easily sit right here and just have your phone right there, and it's charging as you need it. And then when you pick it up, when you're done using it, you just set it back down, then you go back to work. So very convenient setup. I really like this setup a lot. And the laptop stand is my Union City metal laptop stand right there. Highly recommend that thing. That thing works great. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the wireless charging pad. See y'all next video.